Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned.
Hey, what's up, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy, Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats. If you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe. This is the channel that gets back to the hood, so you know what's good. What we're doing over here today is we're experimenting. We're experimenting heavily, honestly. We're checking out something that we've never checked out before, and that is a UA pair right here. For those who don't know what UA is, UA stands for Unauthorized Authentic. It's basically, you know, a shoe that doesn't come from a Yeezy licensed factory. Well, in this case, because this is an Yeezy shoe, what I have right here, or it's supposed to be. But anyways, just to let you guys know, I have a new channel, a second YouTube channel. You guys can follow that because that's where I'm going to be doing reviews from now on in regards to UA shoes. If this one turns out to be a success right here, because this is the first pair I'm ever touching, and I just want to take a look at it and see if it's any good, if it's close to the real thing. If it happens to be that way, then I think I may want to start reviewing more often, and that'll be posted up on the second channel, because I'm not trying to do this on this channel, honestly, guys. You guys know forever I always reviewed authentic pairs here that are verified via StockX, Go, eBay, etc., and I always show receipts. So you guys could always refer to the videos. And what I have here today is the Yeezy 700 V1 Faded Azure, aka Fadazu, which is what I have over here listed in the front. Check out the tag, y'all. Some people are calling it sea blue. There's different names floating around, but I believe this is set to be called Faded Azure for this colorway. One thing I can notice right away from this box is I got a feeling the box is off when it comes to dimensions, like the size of the box in regards to this size right here, US 11. I feel like the size of the box is off and the color is a little off from authentic boxes, just to let you guys know, but that's not what we're here for. We just want to see the shoe itself. So let's take a quick look. This pair is actually supposed to drop in December, guys, and it's set to drop for $240 USD. This is a crazy colorway. Just to let you guys know, this is an authenticated pair right here. Refer to my bright blue video within this same channel here, Kicks and Beats, so you can see receipt and everything. I'm gonna be comparing this today because that's what we're here for. We gotta compare. Man, in regards to the colorway, guys, I gotta say, if this is really how it's gonna look when these drop in December, you did it again. Yeah, you did it again. I like this color right here. It's pretty nice, man. It's like a minty light color. Minty light, kind of like teal. You got orange drip over here. They finally changed the midsole color, guys. They kept giving us orange, not this time around. You got this color over here. It's like some sort of blue. You got suede over here. Ooh, this suede feels good. This feels like real suede. Okay. This right here, I feel like it's kind of like a golden olive-like color. It's like golden olive, if you ask me. I like this blue right here. This is the brightest blue you'll see on the shoe. It looks really nice, honestly. This is a nice color combo. 3M right here, guys. For those who don't know, you got 3M here. 3M over here, over here. These little dots back here. I gotta compare. Let's compare to the real thing. Guys, this is ridiculous. Yo, this is looking pretty exact right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, here I thought this was like a little like more close together than the authenticated pair, but I think it just has to do with the laces. They shipped it to me kind of like tight. It's turned out to be the same thing in the end, honestly, guys. This is incredible, guys. I just can't believe how exact it is towards the real pair. But then again, I understand, because these factories, Nike, Adidas, Puma, Converse, yada yada, they don't own these factories. They just acquire a license towards the factory. What they do is they search for numerous factories and see who's going to give them the best deal, you know, in regards to their product and stuff. So what happens, unfortunately, is other factories, they contact these factories and they pay them in exchange for the recipe in order to know how to make the shoes exact, and this is what we get in the end, in conclusion. I ain't mad though, because I'm against the whole reselling thing anyways. Like, I hope it dies soon. I really hope it does. This is a good route. Here's the insole, guys. This is experimental once again, so this isn't going to be continued here on Kicks and Beats. I just wanted to take a look at a UA pair, but I like what I see, so I think I'm going to continue reviewing them, but on another channel, a second YouTube channel that I've opened up. It's going to be in the description, video description below. I'm going to have the link posted so you guys can add, because, you know, for those who get mad every time you guys can hit on release date, I'm going to show you guys where to get it for a lot less, and it's going to look like the same exact thing, and it's going to feel like the same exact thing, and you'll be paying less. Screw resale, honestly, screw it. This colorway is supposed to drop this December, faded Azure, and it looks remarkable. I like this pair, man. Can't believe it, man. Like the insole, stitching inside exact, everything's on point. Let's give you that on feet look, guys, and that's just how we're gonna end the video. Anyways, let's get to it. I do not have much to say at this point other than I'm going to keep getting more of these pairs every time I can hit on release date. This is incredible. It felt like the same exact thing, guys. Feels just like my other 700 V1 pairs that's been authenticated via StockX and Goat and eBay. It's the same exact thing. It's the same exact thing. I'm telling you. I'm telling you guys. I'm going to try to hit for an authentic pair though in December, if it drops in December, and compare it to this one in regards to the colorway and whatnot. I just want to make sure the color is on point, but I already know it is since they do what they do on the back end, like I explained earlier in this video. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. More videos coming soon. No more UAs on Kicks and Beats though. This is going to be passed off to the second channel, like I said. Link below, link below. Make sure to click and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. Take care, yo. Peace.